Hey YouTube, what's up? It's DJ Shaw One King Legend coming at you with another product review. Here we have an XLR cable. It's very popular on Amazon. It's the CBI MLC20 low Z XLR microphone cable. It's 20 foot. Alright, it's very popular. It's going for $7.99 now. Alright, it's gotten very popular. Everybody wonders how this cable is and is it durable is the first question. I mean, how does it connect, and does it have noise issues? No, it does not. It's a very good cable. I've had it for over a year and a half now. Very strong, durable, and I think it will last like anything else. How you use your equipment, wires, and gear, that's what determines how long they last, okay? And here it is. Alright. Still in good condition, no problems. Here's the ends. This is the female end. Yes, it does have a screw where you can remove that to see the wires and so forth. Alright. Here's the male end. Alright. Very strong button here. You have to put some effort into it to press it. It's not one of those flimsy that just presses all by itself. I mean, you have to put some effort into pressing that to release it. Alright, the wire is good. I'm going to plug them into a speaker cabinet and let you see that it doesn't come out when you plug it in. Alright, just give me 1 sec. Okay, here we go. I got both ends plugged in, the male and the female. As you can see, it will not pop out. Alright, not until you press that release button. It does take a little effort. Okay? Female goes right in, clicks in. Here's the male end. Goes right in. Alright, once you hear that click, you know you're in. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Alright, have a good one. DJ Shaw One.